So hi all, today we are gathered about discuss about the case studies in engineering drawing, right? So as well as we already discussed about building diagram, now I would like to start with a case study about building diagram conception. So building diagram is basically upon the building has been constructed, right now. So in lot of constructions there will be a lot of damages has been occurring, like several fire accidents or damages in construction. Sometimes the bricks can get outright from the building walls. That makes a collapse and also makes a lot of people to lost their lives, right? So in such occurrence, I would like to discuss about the case study explained about in Surat Fire Accident, where a lot of children has been lost their lives as well as the teachers lost their lives, especially it happened in the school building. So it is one of the viral factor item. So we would like to discuss how the building can be get affected, right, through this construction works. So this will be a case study. I would like to express your thoughts about how the building can be damaged or how it can the fire break has been taken over. So let's start with anyone discuss your points or give you valuable input.
So I will initiate this case study, sir. I'm Sudarshan from Civil Department. So this case, Surat, in 2019, there is a huge fire accident met by a school. In that, a lot of teachers and students lost their life. So after analyzing some data given by the news and in Wikipedia, the only reason is the electrical shortage issue. That issue may cause may occur due to the insufficient or inadequate proper planning of electrical lining. So our friends have discussed more and more about that, and we conclude how to get an idea. So in this building, there are 22 teachers. The 22 teachers lost their life, and 15 students also lost their life. This is a major disaster caused in India. So our friends is going to tell how to solve this problem and how to construct a electrical resistant building and school buildings.
So any other points discuss?
Sir, we can use 3-phase and 2-phase different pipelines, sir, and we can use many safety precautions of taping and wired properly in cable, sir. We can also use safety like fire
resistance safeties and wiring circuits can be enhanced, right? So any other suggestions to how the case fire accident can be prevented?
So I'm myself Stephen Agasa. I tell about a favorite of building design, sir. That there are no emergency exit and fire exits in the campus, sir. The major problem role the emergency exit in not having the one school campus. That only major role play in this building, sir.
So as you said, the emergency case study can be planned, right? So the planning of emergency exist will be useful for people who can easily exist when there is some fire accidents or some collateral accidents has been occurred, right? So any other suggestions from both of you?
So now I will give the solutions and safety for the fire accident. First of all, we want to prevent the construction materials as well as the planning what we have done here for the who are living in the room or the outside of the room. We are using sensors and other smoke device or other radiator to signaling the fire or smoke which we have done by the wire or any other material caused during the electricity or some kind of any during the rain time, thunder or any other activity. That at the time they give the signal transmission to the who is the data collector in the controller. They can collect the data and give the information and to exit from the certain period of time.
So that also one of the valid point. The designing makes most important. If we are given allowance for accident prevention, so the people can easily escape from that. So this is one of the valuable inputs where the case study has been given as to how to overcome from the accident. The people and the students may have escape from that. So any other input from
So first of all, I want to share some conclusions, sir. Because every conclusion that will start from after the major issues. Because the safety measure is very in the poor level, sir. In majorly, we can see some schools, colleges, like the public transports like that. In this place, sir, the government does not take any actions. In civil engineer, depends upon civil engineer, there are no issue, say, like the proper material supports, the poor material quality, and some government applied some news. For the example, in the Surat issue, sir, the ceiling height is want some settled ceiling height, but in school they reduced the 5 feet ceiling height in the Surat issue. This is a major conclusion. In some, they highlighted some fire protection and the building safety, that's highlighted from the Surat issues. So the conclusion is whatever it is, the safety measures doesn't prevent from this issue, sir. First of all, you want to proper in the civil engineering department. You want to be some select the place is proper, not in the village area, not in the like river area. Want to properly want to select the place, and the materials are in the proper conclusions, and like budget will be proper. So many things want to proper, it will be prevent from this issue, sir.
So it is another valuable input.
Sir, one more point, some more points, sir. So the lack of the major role played in this accident is lack of designing. So this is this affects the engineers works and the building materials. So lack of electrical resistivity, like earthening. So lack of fire extinguishers, like that. There is no emergency exits. Even in normal bus, there is an emergency exit. That is the school campus. So if any small incident happen, like earthquake also, there is a necessity for an emergency exit. This is the biggest lack for a civil engineer. So thank you.
So as the we have discussed right now, these are the points. Maybe if or if else in that Surat Fire Accident. So as a future engineers, we have to look and focus on those areas we have to develop, and what are the area we have to make them for easily escaping when there is some unavoidable circumstances. Hope this video will give an insight for the viewers. Thank you all for joining this video. Thank you.
Thank you.